When choosing F6NM stainless steel, many customers face the same challenges: insufficient strength, poor corrosion resistance, welding difficulties, or unstable performance in harsh working environments. F6NM is a low-carbon martensitic stainless steel designed to achieve an excellent balance between high strength, toughness, and corrosion resistance. Its chemical composition mainly includes chromium, nickel, molybdenum, and low-carbon content, which provides improved toughness, weldability, and resistance to stress corrosion cracking. Compared with traditional stainless steels, F6NM offers reliable mechanical properties after heat treatment, making it an ideal choice for components requiring high strength and long service life. F6NM is widely used in hydraulic turbines, pump shafts, pressure vessels, oil and gas equipment, marine engineering, and power generation industries. We provide F6NM material solutions including round bars, custom cutting, forging, machining, and quality certification. From material selection to final application, we help customers choose the right steel for safer and more efficient operations. Follow us for more professional solutions in special steel materials.